Listen to the conversation of Ms. Emily Johnson on a call with the receptionist for a dental checkup. Listen carefully, and then some questions will be asked at the end about the conversation.
Bright Smile Dental Care, this is Sarah speaking. How may I assist you today?
Hi, I'd like to schedule an appointment for a dental checkup, please.
Of course, I can help you with that. May I have your name and contact information?
Yes, my name is Emily Johnson, and my phone number is 555-6789.
Thank you, Ms. Johnson. When was your last dental checkup?
It was about 6 months ago.
All right, we recommend regular checkups every 6 months. Are there any specific days or times that work best for you?
I prefer mornings, preferably on a Wednesday or Friday.
Let me check our schedule. We have availability next Wednesday at 10 a.m. or Friday at 9 a.m. Which one would you prefer?
Friday at 9 a.m. works for me.
Great. I've scheduled you in for a checkup with Dr. Octavious. Is there anything specific you'd like to discuss during your appointment?
Just a general checkup and cleaning, please.
Noted. Please arrive 15 minutes before your appointment to complete any necessary paperwork. Do you have dental insurance?
Yes, I have insurance with Life Care Dental Insurance.
Perfect. We'll take care of the insurance billing for you. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's all. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, Ms. Johnson. We look forward to seeing you next Friday at 9 a.m. for your checkup. Have a great day.
Now answer these questions. However, if you were unable to answer any of the questions, they are mentioned in the description as well. What is the name of the dental clinic? Who answered the phone? What service did the patient request? What is the patient's name? When was the patient's last dental checkup? Which days of the week did the patient prefer for the appointment? What time was available on Friday for the appointment? Who is the dentist scheduled for the patient's checkup? Does the patient have dental insurance? What time did the receptionist advise the patient to arrive before the appointment? If you were unable to answer any of the questions, they are mentioned in the description as well. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.